Hi, I'm Deb. My husband and I have decided to not shower anymore until the quarantine is over. What? Oh, yeah, I was kidding as well. I am going to show you how I plant my tomato seeds. I get these seeds from the University of Florida. This is from last year, so hopefully they're still good. If you donate $10 to them, they send you these seeds that they've bred for disease resistance, and they actually taste really good because most tomatoes that you buy in the store, at least in New York City, do not taste that great.
I use these biodegradable cups for easy transplant when it's time to bring outside. This is the seed starter I use. So I've put the seed starter in, and here I'm just putting one seed in. Then I'm going to cover it with more soil. As you can see, I'm a total slob. The soil gets everywhere. I like to mark which seed this is so I don't forget later on. I water it well, and then I cover it in saran wrap and wait for it to sprout.
I planted these tomatoes on Friday the 27th, and I saw my first sprouts of the tomatoes on Wednesday, April 1st.
Oh, hello, little friend.
Once they start sprouting, I put them under, I have a little grow light thing. My grow lights I have on from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., 12 hours on, 12 hours off. I have no idea if I'm doing anything right, but I do get tomatoes. I don't put them outside until it's like 60 degrees at night. If you have 6 months, you too can have 3 tomatoes. Also, I planted some lettuce outside. I think you're supposed to do that in cooler weather. So I did that right outside. Nothing has started growing yet from that, and it is 6 days. This could be an entire salad, right? Lettuce and tomatoes. Don't know what I'm doing with the lettuce. I just sprinkled the whole seeds on top. It says all this stuff like sow 12 inches apart in this much soil. I don't know. I mean, I know what 12 inches is, but I don't know. This time I just sprinkled the whole shebang. Last year, I think I was able to get one pizza worth of tomatoes. Oh, I should show you my pizza dough. That's a topic for another day. Not enough to sustain us if we're trying to live off the grid. But you can live for like 2 extra days, maybe? Nah. Just wanted to say, I know it's tough to get exercise these days, but I want to show you a quick and easy bicep curl you can do at home. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. I don't know how many times I could say it, but I'm going to keep saying it. Okay, bye everyone.
Alexa, turn off the plant light.